Did you know there's a connection between the Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio? Mathematicians for years have explored patterns and applications to the world around us and continue to do so today. One such pattern can be found in ratios of two adjacent terms of the Fibonacci sequence. Recall the Fibonacci sequence is the sequence 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. To generate the Fibonacci sequence, we start with 1, 1, and then each term in the sequence is the sum of the two previous terms. Notice 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 5 is 8, 5 plus 8 is 13, and so on. Notice 5 and 8 are one example of adjacent terms in the Fibonacci sequence. When computing the ratio or quotient of the larger number to the preceding number, such as 8 divided by 5 or 13 divided by 8, it is fascinating to find the golden ratio emerge. As larger numbers from the Fibonacci sequence are utilized in the ratio or quotient, the value more closely approaches phi, the golden ratio. And recall the golden ratio is equal to the sum of 1 and the square root of 5 divided by 2, or approximately 1.618, or as a ratio 1.618 to 1. On the right, we have a picture of a golden rectangle where the ratio of the length to the width is 1.618, or approximately the golden ratio. And this is supposed to be the most visually pleasing rectangle. Now going back to the ratio of adjacent terms in the Fibonacci sequence, let's begin with 3 divided by 2, which is 1.5. As we find these ratios or quotients, working our way down the Fibonacci sequence, the values will approach the golden ratio. Next, we have 5 divided by 3, which is approximately 1.667. Next, we have 8 divided by 5, which is 1.6. Notice we are getting closer and closer to the golden ratio. Next, we'd have 13 divided by 8, which is 1.625. Next, 21 divided by 13, which is approximately 1.615. And then we'd have 34 divided by 21, which is approximately 1.619. Notice we're very close to the golden ratio. Let's take a look at one more example. The 23rd Fibonacci number is 28,657, and the 24th is 46,368. Show that the ratio of the 24th and 23rd Fibonacci numbers is approximately phi, the golden ratio. We're told to round to the nearest thousandth. Well, the ratio is going to be 46,368 divided by 28,657, which we can see on the calculator is approximately the golden ratio of 1.618. I hope you found this pattern interesting. Thank you for watching.